What's up? What's up? What's up, my mind, your money business folks? It's me yet again with another video. NVIDIA, I've been saying NVIDIA a lot lately. Even though I'm invested in the broad stock market, I'm totally diversified. NVIDIA, the big kahuna, exceeded my expectations today, and it also surpassed a threshold that it has never surpassed ever of $140 a share. Essentially over $1,400, because remember, NVIDIA did a 10-to-1 split earlier this year in June when it was going for $1,200. Then it did a 10-to-1 split, reducing it to $120. Now it's at an all-time high today, closing at $143, if I'm not mistaken, right? Let me bring it up just to be on the safe side. And it says here, NVIDIA to be the first company to hit $4 trillion market cap. Bam! That was by an expert. Not by me. It was by an expert. Disclaimer, right? I'm not a financial advisor. All content provided on this channel and videos is for entertainment purposes only and reflects my personal opinion. Please do your own research. Do not just take my word for it. Do your own research and talk with a financial advisor before making any investing decisions. I just wanted to get that out of the way. Back to NVIDIA. NVIDIA closed at $143.71. It went up today almost $6, $5.71, if I'm not mistaken. Somewhere around there. I can't add. But either way, it went up today at $143. Now, the Dow dropped 300 points. But NVIDIA, Apple closed to fresh records. Let's see what else the market did today. It says stocks closed mixed on Monday as the 10-year Treasury yield rose and investors braced for a packed week to top-tier earnings that could drive or drag on a record-setting rally. The S&P 500 dropped almost 2.2%, coming off a fresh all-time closing high and a sixth weekly win in a row. So the S&P 500 was climbing for 6 weeks, right? Either way, the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped more than 300 points, or 0.8% lower, while tech-heavy NASDAQ Composite closed up 0.2%. AI chip NVIDIA gained more than 4% to close at a fresh all-time high, while iPhone maker Apple also eked out a closing record. Whether records keep rolling in rides in large part on corporate results in the coming days, earnings season ramps up this week as over 100 S&P 500 companies are lined up to report. There are a lot of earnings reports coming up soon. So far, 80% of third quarter updates from those on the benchmark have topped the market. Investors are on the edge for Tesla's report on Wednesday. Not many people are excited about the robo-taxi reveal. But we'll see what the earnings report says on Wednesday after his robo-taxi unveiling fell short of expectations. The EV maker is in the highlight of the week amid questions about big tech performance, even after Netflix's strong kickoff to the mega cap season. Now, I think the company is doing great things. However, I think there's a lot of personal behind the scenes situations going on. But I think Tesla is a good company. Yeah. General Motors, Coca-Cola, American Airlines, and UPS are among several other big hitters on the earnings docket this week. Boeing faces a double whammy on Monday. Well, not on Monday, but on Wednesday, when it's expected to release earnings at the same time. Those workers at Boeing vote on whether to accept a tentative deal agreed with the union to end a 5-week strike. Strike didn't help you, Boeing. Sorry. It happens. Shares of the plane maker rose over 3% in early Monday trading. Meanwhile, the 10-year Treasury yield climbed 10 basis points to 4.18%, the highest level since July. Oil prices rose 2% along gains for Chinese stocks as China's stimulus push continued with a cut to key lending rates. Yeah, also wanted to read this article that I found. It's very short. It's about a veteran fund manager delivers blunt words on the stock market. It said investor mania for artificial intelligence has played a major role in the stock market's 39% surge over the past 12 months, as measured by the S&P 500 index. So companies like NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Broadcom, Planeteer now, TSMC, companies that are cranking up is artificial intelligence, and those that are the chip makers, the GPU makers, so on and so forth, the partnerships with like Accenture. Either way, it has played a major role in the stock market's 39% surge. NVIDIA has been the big kahuna. I'm going to start calling NVIDIA the big kahuna. So when I say the big kahuna from here on out, I'm referencing NVIDIA. The big kahuna. Okay, the dominant provider of semiconductors for AI applications had seen its stock price more than triple during that period. NVIDIA stock has tripled in the last 12 months. Some experts such as Harvard, because I'm not an expert, but some experts such as Harvard economist Larry Summers, Google Larry Summers people, consider AI equal in importance to the Industrial Revolution. I've been saying that in previous videos. AI, emergence, surge, NVIDIA's part that is playing in it, it's a part of the next industrial revolution with technology. Either you get with it or you get left behind, people. This automation of things, the creation of AI, these robots, it will replace people at some point. Now, if you are replaced, are you financially stable? Have you created a solid foundation for yourself? Are you investing in these paper assets, the S&P 500, NVIDIA, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, all these major companies that are bringing and providing, significant and big returns on your investment, making money while you sleep. Like, it is Tuesday money. I said Tuesday money. I did make some money, but it is Tuesday morning here for me, the time zone that I'm in. So I rose this morning and my account was green. My brokerage account was all green. I literally made money in my sleep because I am invested in these paper assets. I'm not just putting my money in the bank. I am not spending all of my money on non-essential items. I'm living way, way, way below my means. I'm dollar cost averaging into the stock market every month. I research, I pay attention to things on a daily basis. I slack off a little on weekends, but during the weekday, I am paying attention. So I'm investing my money. Investing is the key word. You take a risk when you invest, but I do it smartly. I have a very diversified portfolio, creating a solid foundation for myself. Okay. So again, it says some experts such as Harvard economist Larry Summers consider AI equal in importance to the Industrial Revolution. This offers the prospect of not replacing some forms of human labor, but almost all forms of human labor. He said at Fortune's Innovative Forum earlier this year. Let me read that again. This offers the prospect of not replacing some forms of human labor, but almost all forms of human labor. Tesla's creating robots. Amazon already has like technology and robots, working in its warehouse. Yeah. Okay, AI will substitute for a doctor making a difficult diagnosis before it substitutes for a nurse's ability to hold patients' hands when the patient is frightened, he said. That is major, people. Major. And this forum that they talked about in this article, the Fortune's Innovation Forum, was in March. He said this in March of this year. March 28th is when the article was posted. On Larry Summers, now an OpenAI board member, thinks AI could replace almost all forms of labor. Just don't expect a productivity miracle anytime soon. That's why I'm in the market for the long haul. This NVIDIA, the stock market, I am in for the long haul. This is a long-term investment for me, so that I will continue to make money over the years. It's not a short-term investment. I'm not trying to time the market. That's why I'm always in the market. And I suggest you do the same. All right, so you guys take care. Peace.